That's beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Finito, huh?
Beautiful.
Caliente, huh?
Caliente.
Oh, God, hot. It's hot.
Be careful.
Chef Linguini.
¿Qué pasó?
¿Cuántos años, man?
21. 21.
21 years. He's still in a training program, though. 21 years, we can't get him out of training.
Yeah.
Paula's been with me 33 years. Her food's so consistent, but that's really what makes us. I mean, you know, just same person doing the same thing. She's the best in the United States. This chicken, all this chicken she does every day is for my grandmother's Mama Mandola's chicken soup. Sicilian penicillin. Thank you, Kathy. Making homemade cappelletti. Look, they made homemade mozzarella. They're cutting pork for sausage, my dad's Italian sausage. Turn the music up. Best grill man in Houston, Texas. This is what's beautiful. Pablo, 20 years?
Yeah, 20 years.
And his wife, you saw her in the back working prep. His wife is Mariana, making the roasted potatoes. You know what I love about this guy right here? His uniform is so good. So I asked him, I said, how do you get your uniform so neat? He said, Mariana does it for him.